Hello and welcome to all of you dear friends. I hope you are doing well and starting a good day. I am Amini, the manager of the website of the industry of 20 years of AR and the mother of the design phases. Today we are in one of the new design methods in your service. The method we are going to use today is called the COCOSO method. This technique is actually part of the new methods of MCDM. It is a few-digit design method, which is aimed at narrowing down the specifications. We are going to explain the theory of this method to you first. Then we will teach you how to create a path in Excel along with the complete calculations and formulas in your service. Well, let me give you some information about the COCOSO method in your service. It was written by Mr. Yazdani and his colleagues in 2018. This method is among the design methods. The purpose of this method is to narrow down a series of specifications based on a series of specifications. Now, the specifications can be in the design of anything. For example, if you intend to buy a house, your house can be your specifications. Now, a series of specifications such as the price of the house, the distance to the workplace, and so on can be your specifications. And the purpose of this method is to narrow down those specifications. Now, let me tell you about the specifications of the COCOSO method. For example, we want to select our suppliers in a chain. Those suppliers will give us a list of specifications and a series of specifications for choosing suppliers such as the price of the supplier, the quality of the supplier, and the time of delivery of the supplier can be used as standards in this design model. This method is actually called combined compromise solution. Now, I will tell you how to combine and design in this method. First, we will explain the theory of this method to you. We will solve an example with it. Then, we will explain the same example in Excel with its formulas. Before we get into the example, let me tell you that this method is part of the family of TOPSIS and core methods. That is, each model that solves the matrix of the TOPSIS and core method is also formed in the same way. In this method, we cannot calculate the weight standard. That is, to continue, we need a weight standard, but this method does not calculate its own weight standard. Like the TOPSIS method, like the SUM method, like the core method. This method does not calculate any weight standard. The weight standard must be calculated from a series of other methods. And as an introduction to these methods. Now, I will explain the weight standard methods to you. But in summary, I want to tell you the weight standard methods. You can use the methods of the TOPSIS, the SUM method, the I decree, the BW, the SUM method, and the EHP. That we get the weight standards. But as an introduction to the methods of the TOPSIS, we will explain those methods. So, let's continue to explain this method to you.